Hi and welcome dearly to this very special unboxing video. I'm going to unbox something that, well, I'm not sure if I should be looking forward to this, but I got this package here and I got it from VR Legion, a very amazing German website and also YouTube channel about VR. And well, I have an idea. I have an idea what might be in that box, and let me tell you what it might be. Well, so I'm not sure if you remember, I was playing Synth Riders. So Synth Riders is this music and rhythm game where you move to the beat and everything looks a bit retro. And I was streaming that game and I really liked it. And in the German version of that stream, I said something like, okay, this would be perfect if I would get so many clicks and views if I would play that game in a pink outfit, like 80s aerobic style, and I would get shitloads of views. And I have the feeling that because I said this, it's my doom in terms of having to play Synth Riders with something funny on. So that's what I believe this here is. And we're going to unbox this together now. So let's get rid of some stuff here. I'm going to show you the packaging very soon. Let me just get this open first. Uh-oh. So I am excited, but I'm also a bit, let me put this back. I'm also a bit frightened, honestly speaking. So let's see what the VR Legion has thought would be a funny thing to send me. So, the big moment of truth. Let's check this together. This is the package. And the first look. We're going to have the first look together. I don't know yet what's inside. Okay, first a letter. Let me read that letter first before I check it. Okay. Oh wow, thank you so much Dot, Abraxa, Simon and Carlos for for sending me this. And they say, hey, you know what this means? In the future of live streams of Synth Rider, you're going to get billions of clicks. Okay, now let's see what actually is this. Okay, so far we cannot see it yet. Oh no! Oh my goodness! This is crazy! Oh no! Oh my goodness! This is unbelievable! 80s fitness instructor, yay! Oh my god, oh my god, oh no, this is amazing! Oh, leotard, leggings, leg warmers, headband and 2 sweatbands. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. And I'm telling you, of course, I'm going to wear this as soon as possible and give Synth Riders and the world the most awesome stream ever. 80s fitness instructor. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, VR Legion. Carlos, Simon, Abraxa Dot, thank you so much for helping me get billions of clicks. And yeah, definitely I would like to thank my sponsors VR Legion and Carlos for, yeah, for reigning the world very soon. Wow, I am really, really happy right now. I mean, I shouldn't be, right? But I'm going to wear this. I'm wondering, does it also come with a funny beard? Probably no, right? Okay, let me open that now. Let's see. Okay. So I have to get the beard myself. Oh wow. Oops. Okay, some pink stuff. And the leggings. Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be so good. And yeah, all this stuff, of course I'm going to do like a live stream that is going to be, I don't know, we've never seen that on MRTV, and it's going to happen. And I don't know, but somehow I kind of look forward to it. Thank you so much, VR Legion. Thank you so much, Carlos, for yeah, for making this magic happen. Yeah, the billion clicks, the billion views are finally going to happen on MRTV. MRTV is going to reign the YouTube VR world with this outfit. And man, wow, this community it's crazy. You have to be very, very careful what you say when you're live streaming. And guys, I'm really happy to be part of this incredible VR community. It seems like it's the best. It's truly, truly the best. However, I understand that you also want to have a good laugh out of this. So I don't know why I'm in such a good mood. But yeah, that's fine. That is really cool. And again, thank you so much. This has been the most amazing unboxing of a long time, I think. Really, most amazing unboxing. And yeah, I can't wait for what's going to happen. And I have the feeling that this stream might be pretty amazing. Alright, I believe that's it for this little spontaneous unboxing video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you still enjoy to be a member of the MRTV Elite. You know stuff first. You know what's going to happen in the not too distant future. And it's going to be pretty amazing, I believe. Alright, that's it for this video. Again, hope you enjoyed it, and looking forward to see you very soon in a live stream or two. Bye bye.